I thought I would share with you my favorite way to enjoy my healthy hot chocolate mix. I get a heaping tablespoon. Okay, that's probably almost 2 tablespoons. And I add some hot milk. I add a really generous pinch of salt. It's a lot easier to froth if I do that before I fill it up. I'm going to add some date syrup as well. This, believe it or not, is an all-natural way to have wonderful caramel flavor. About a tablespoon-ish. Look at that wonderful stuff. It is very thick. It requires patience. And then I'm going to stir that in a little. I'm going to do one more froth. And then I'll just top it off with the rest of the hot milk. This is the most amazing salted caramel, healthy hot chocolate. You really need to try it because it makes every afternoon wonderful.